is up, fellow people of Sparta? I'm your hostess with the mostest, Kodaya Butler, here with The Stitch, letting you know what's going on in your school. So be sure to stay tuned until the end to see an award-winning music video by some of our fellow Spartans. But first up, let's take a look at some of our students' fine work and their artistic views in school.
Hi guys, I didn't see you there. My name is Abby from Spartan Times, and you're watching Disney Channel. Do you notice anything different about me? My shirt, right? Has so many colors. That's exactly what we need on these boring white walls we have at our school. I took some interview about all the creativity that we could use at our school. Let's go check it out. Body in my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body in my, finding all my innocence, yeah. Body in my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body in my, finding all my innocence, yeah. Body in my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body in my, finding all my innocence, yeah. Body in my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body in my, finding all my innocence, yeah.
I really like seeing the way other people express what they're inspired by. It's really interesting because the way I get inspired a lot by other people's art, and that's how I create a lot of my art.
I think it's important, especially if we're talking about school spirit. When you have Spartan all over the place, whether it's for sports or for academics or for the arts, when you see it there, I think it helps get people excited to be a Spartan.
I think that there should be more art to advertise things, because there's a lot of programs here, like cosmetology.
I see a lot of realistic art, which it's amazing to see how much talent is really in the school.
Walking into the school, the first thing you do is you see this cool little mural, very geometric, colors and line, and of course it's our main colors with the logo.
Well, I see a lot of the posters and stuff for Spirit Day when you guys do, when the art people do the windows and stuff.
I think a mural would be great. I've always been inspired by mural art, especially graffiti art, and I think expressing my own type of style in the school would really bring together the diversity in art. Definitely.
It's been in the works for a while. It's just one of those things that it's going to be our main thing. We want to make sure it's good. We want to make sure people are excited for it. And it's kind of like a tattoo, it's going to be there for a while. So we want to make sure it's something worthwhile and that the kids...
Yes, I know a lot of other schools do have that, and I think that it adds flavor to the school.
Oh hey guys, back already? I just finished my drawing, look. It's not the best, but I tried, right? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's topic. My name is Abby from Spartan Times, and we will see you next time. We out!
That was a beautiful painting, Abby. But did you know that art comes in many different forms? For example, cosmetology. Let's check out some of the services our Pebble Hills cosmetology classes have to offer.
That we get a license right when we graduate high school, and we learn what it's like to work in the real world. We do a bunch of stuff like nails, hair, facials, waxing, all that stuff. Go to cosmetology after school on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Thanks, Karina. You heard it here, folks. Cosmetology has just the thing to get you looking right just in time for prom. Now that we've seen the talents of our students, let's switch up a bit and talk about our favorite teachers and how he makes a difference on campus.
Okay. So, the East. East are the judges. They're the attorneys. The They're the surgeons. They're the engineers. And they are the city planners. I'm Coach Pry. I teach professional communications here at Pebble Hills, and I've been here 4 years since we opened. Football has changed me. I would say it's given me an element of toughness, an element of responsibility, and teamwork for sure, and commitment. I actually went to college for coaching and teaching, but I didn't get into coaching and teaching right away. This is actually my third career. I got into it a little bit later in life, and I think that benefits me, having seen other things out there and other experiences that I can bring into the classroom. Definitely a huge honor. I was very proud to represent Pebble Hills High School. I hold this school with deep regards, and it's definitely a school I love being at. So being elected to Teacher of the Year was a huge accomplishment, and one that I'll definitely take with me wherever I go. A great teacher and coach is someone that cares about other people. Definitely someone who's not selfish, someone who puts everybody else first. And I think that's what helps make good teachers, good coaches, and ultimately good people. Because I'm immature, I never want to grow up. No, I think it's basically showing mutual respect to the kids. You've got to treat them like adults if you want them to produce and to act like adults as well. So I think a lot of it is they know that I love them unconditionally, and that I treat them like adults.
It's amazing how doing all the little things make the biggest impact in others. Thank you so much, Josiah, for that video, giving us an inside look. Before we move on to the next video, I'd like to take this time to thank Mr. Munguia for giving me the opportunity of hosting. Up next, we have an award-winning music video written, produced, and directed by some of our Spartan peers. I'm Kodaya Butler, and like I always say, stay classy.
Yo, I'm finna pick you up in a couple. Alright, bet. I'll meet you there.
But I'm waiting third. You know what I'm talking about. AMG. Time's hella precious, why I never wanna lose it. People say to live it young, so what you think I'm doing? Yeah, living up this life or chasing dreams that we pursuing. If you ain't spending it with the right person, then what you doing? Yeah, got my rider that's with me and we just cruising. Yeah, we got no worry in the world, we ain't losing. Yeah, we got each other to come to, and who can ask for more? We tryna have fun, this is our time to explore. If one is like, then move on to the other door. Life is full of opportunities, and trust, it's way better with the people you care for.
You know what I'm talking about? I'm in the city with the windows down.
We in the city, catching some good vibes. We just going with the flow, put the stress into the side, cause we got no time to be wasting. Loving every minute, swear to God it's so amazing. Having such a good time, I forgot what's complaining. Living in the moment, who cares what people be saying? At the end of the day, they know who the greatest. I'm with my crew, so they don't wanna test this. Driving around, yeah, we living young and reckless. Moments like these are the ones that are precious. I'm out.